Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where Realtek audio is not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to set the correct output device. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select audio and select the correct output device. Whether it's speakers, headphones, whatever, just select this correct one. Now Realtek speakers are separate. It would mention Realtek R here. The next one is to update the audio drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and then go to device manager and then expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, and then you can expand the speakers, the Realtek one. Right click and update the drivers and update them to the latest version. The next solution will be to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Click on troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Now at times all of these things, all of these solutions may be performed, but it still doesn't help because a third party software product is interfering. And there are many third party software products which cause this problem. So we'll perform a clean boot to isolate this cause. Search for system configuration and go to system configuration. Now go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.